Yo!
Hey, this is the pancake.
The pancake!
Okay, so we're going to be really quick and we're going to make the best pancakes
Ever!
Yeah!
Okay, the first thing you need is a pancake.
Ooh. So, the second thing you need is sugar!
Ooh, yes, a cup of sugar.
Ooh, kinda like that.
Okay, here we got the plate of pancakes. And you
Yeah.
take one here. We got one pancake here.
Yep, that's
And
a
then-
fine pancake.
Yeah.
So we're going to use this pancake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
So-
then we're going to put some sugar on.
Take some sugar and
And
put it
fill
on.
like snow.
Woo!
Wait, more sugar. We love sugar. Yeah.
Kinda like this.
Okay.
So,
Then we like rolling.
rolling.
And
Okay.
move.
So if your pancake doesn't like the hair color of
The pancake.
yeah, then you can dip dye it. Then you can dip dye it in sugar. That would taste nice.
Amazing.
So lots
Yay.
of sugar. Yummy. Who wants to eat? Take a bite.
Okay. And this has been the pancake. How you make pancakes.
Wow.
Sugar. Bye guys.
We need to cut that video, right?
Bye.
See ya.
Woo.
See ya in the next video.
Nope.